Hello everybody, hello friends, this is Shredmaster Steve, live at the Letter Hanover studio. We are here at the recording studio of my big brother, Eustace Vasiliadis, and today I'm going to show you some songs and licks and guitar stuff that I do, and hope you have fun with it, and best wishes and love to all my friends, and especially to my friends from WBS Andere Nine course, and Jürgen Wendel, my friend, my brother, and the best online instructor, teacher in the fucking world. So have fun with it, and yeah, enjoy. And where's my fucking beer, man? Here you are, sir. Thank you very much. Cheers.